Now, microprocessors are manufactured on the surface of a thin wafer of silicon, and I have one of them here. I hope you can see this. Each of those little squares is a single microprocessor of the kind that we saw earlier. Now, to me, it seems incredible that something which is so tiny and so complex can be made at all. It sounds almost impossible. Well, to see how it's done, we're going to have a go at doing something else which also sounds impossible. And for this, I'd like a volunteer. Should we have someone from this side? Yeah, I bet you. Would you like to come on down? Okay, just turn around. Let's come and stand here. That's good. What's your name?
Briley.
Briley. Okay. What's your initials? What are your initials?
BG.
BG, all right. I'm going to give you a big marker pen. There we go. And I have here some rice, just ordinary rice. I'm going to take a little grain of rice. And I'm wondering, do you think you could write your initials on the side of that grain of rice using that marker pen?
Probably not.
Probably not. No, I think probably not either. OK. Tell you what, to make it a little bit easier, we're going to do something different. Just wait there a minute. What I have here is just a sheet of plastic. What I'd like you to do is to write your initials, nice big writing, nice big fat writing, across the middle of that plastic for me, OK? Excellent. OK, that's good. Do you want to just go over that one more time? Make it really nice and big and fat. That's it. Lots and lots of ink is really good for this. Excellent. Wonderful. OK, that's brilliant. OK, let's just pop the top back on there. Now, what we're going to do with this, if you'd like to come with me, come over here. If you'd like to stand just there. We're going to take this, and I'm going to pop it in this frame, like this, and I'm going to switch on this light box. So this is just a box with a bright light inside. So lots of light is coming out, it's passing through your initials and spreading out in all directions. And over here, we have a lens, and the lens is collecting some of that light and focusing it down onto this grain of rice. And we also have a camera which is looking at that little grain of rice as well. And if we can now take the feed, from that camera and bring it up on the screen, if I keep out of the way of the light, we should just there, we can see, there are your initials written on a grain of rice. Okay? Okay, I'd like to do one more thing. Hold out your hand like this and put it in front of your initials, in front of the light box, that's it. And then hold it flat like that in front of the light box, that's it. And now just move it gently about. And we can see an image of your hand. OK. OK, thank you very much indeed.